As the development of electronics technology, today the automation of PCBA surface processing technology is getting higher and popular. But why is manual soldering still necessary? Today, we are going to talk about it. The most obvious difference between the two soldering processes is the equipment. In automatic assembly, many machine parts are involved in an efficient process, while manual soldering requires little as it mainly involves manually operated equipment. Manual soldering is the process of applying solder to specific points on the printed circuit board using soldering iron. This is a time-consuming and labor-intensive process that requires a skilled technician to carefully apply solder. Automatic soldering, including techniques such as wave soldering and reflow soldering, offers speed, efficiency, and consistencies, making it ideal for high-volume production. This method relies on specialized machines to solder multiple components simultaneously, ensuring consistency and minimizing defects. In general, manual soldering is more suitable for small-scale production, while automatic soldering is more suitable for high-volume manufacturing. Manual soldering has some advantage that automatic soldering cannot replace, so it is still necessary to use manual soldering in some cases. Greater accuracy. When dealing with small or delicate parts, or when the design is complex, manual soldering allows more precise control of the soldering process. Operators are able to deal with complex situations more efficiently. The cost of installing and maintaining highly automatic equipment can outweigh the benefits. In these cases, manual soldering is a more economical option. Maintenance. Manual soldering is commonly used for maintenance because it can easily replace damaged parts without the need for expensive automatic tools. Ensure safety. The working area must be well ventilated to prevent the inhalation of solder fumes. When manual soldering, it is necessary to wear protective gloves, protective masks, protective shoes, and other safety equipment to avoid being injured by fireworks, heat splashes, electrical sparks, and so on. Choosing appropriate soldering materials and equipment. The soldering materials and equipment suitable for the materials to be welded should be selected to ensure the soldering quality. Controlling temperature and time. When soldering, it is necessary to control the soldering temperature so as not to burn the electrode or cause excessive heat impact. The soldering time must be appropriate, not too long or too short, to ensure the uniformity and quality of soldering. Although modern enterprises have widely used automatic instrumentation, automatic soldering of the production process by the product trial production of small batch products, production with special requirements of high reliability products such as rockets in space, technology, state-of-the-art manufacturing, still use manual soldering. Even if the printed circuit board, such as the miniaturization of large quantities of automatic soldering products, there is still a certain number of soldering points need to be manual welded, so there is no soldering method that can completely replace manual soldering. POE has professional manufacturing plants and skilled operators as well as advanced production equipment. We can provide you with quality PCBA manufacturing services.